In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your company file to a newer QuickBooks version. If you've recently upgraded QuickBooks and need to continue working with an existing company file, this process is usually very straightforward. The most important thing to understand is that once a company file is updated to a newer version, it generally can't be opened again in an older version of QuickBooks. Because of that, it's a good idea to take your time and make sure everything is ready before you begin. Start by confirming that all other users are logged out of the company file. You'll also want to make sure the file is completely closed in any older QuickBooks versions. This helps prevent conflicts during the upgrade and reduces the chance of file access issues. If your file is stored on a shared network, double-check that no one else is using it before you move forward. Once that's done, open the newer version of QuickBooks. When the program loads, go to the File menu at the top of the screen, then choose Open or Restore Company. This is where QuickBooks lets you browse for an existing company file and begin the conversion process. Next, click Open a Company File and then select Next. You'll now be prompted to locate your existing company file. Browse to the folder where the older file is saved, find the file in bookkeeping format, select it, and then click Open. Make sure you choose the correct company file, especially if you manage more than one business file. After the file opens, QuickBooks will prompt you to sign in using the admin password. Enter the password associated with the admin user account for that company file. For security reasons, be sure to keep that information private. Once you sign in, you'll see a pop-up message explaining that the file needs to be updated for use in the newer QuickBooks version. Take a moment to read the message carefully so you understand what's about to happen. When you're ready, select Confirm and then choose Update Now. QuickBooks will begin converting the file. Depending on the size of the company file and the speed of your computer, this may take a few moments. During this time, avoid closing the program or interrupting the process. When the update is complete, click Done. At that point, your company file will be ready to use in the newer QuickBooks version. It's a simple process, but taking each step carefully helps ensure a smooth and successful upgrade.